to Skrillex.
Excuse me. What are you doing?
I just want to be a professional wrestler.
No, you're going to school as a photographer and you're gonna like it!
But mommy, I want to be a zoologist.
No! No!
Abuse, physical abuse.
Shut up!
Just go smoke your monkey.
My monkey?
Yes, your monkey.
I lost my monkey because of you! You!
But I am a monkey. Daddy, why?
I fainted.
That doesn't mean you say so.
Monkey, monkey. Monkey, monkey!
You're despised. I mean...
Mama! Your daddy likes me! He dumped me for cheese. And he bit my ear! I am a retarded monkey. And you're gonna like it. Smoke me.
But Daddy, why? Why?
I'll tell you why.
Oh my gosh!
Whoops. I don't know how to work this computer. Like, it's too hard.
But Daddy!
Yeah, this is confusing. Kitty, I need your help! Okay.
I hate you!
Shut up! I hate you too! I always hated you!
I want to be a zoologist!
Too bad! I wanted to be a famous cat from Tokyo! But you know what? That's not gonna happen, is it?
But Mommy, you are!
I'm not your mom, you idiot!
I hate you!
I hate you too!
I always hated you!
The cow says, moo moo.